Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will review the Chase Inc. Business Preferred Card. We'll explore its key features, including the impressive welcome bonus and how it can benefit your business. Discover how to maximize your rewards and understand the card's value proposition. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of whether this card aligns with your business needs and spending habits. Let's dive in and see if it's the right fit for you. This card offers excellent earning potential for businesses. You'll earn 3 points per dollar on the first $150,000 spent annually across categories like travel, shipping, internet, cable, and phone services. All other purchases earn 1 point per dollar. Plus, it provides valuable cell phone protection, covering up to $1,000 per claim for damage or theft with a $50 deductible. This can be a significant saving for small business owners. The Chase Ultimate Rewards program is incredibly flexible. Your points are worth 25% more when you redeem them for travel through the Chase portal, making a 100,000-point bonus worth $125,000 towards travel. You can also transfer points to various airline and hotel partners at a 1-to-1 ratio, often yielding even greater value. For everyday use, points can be redeemed for cashback or gift cards. So, is the Chase Inc. Business Preferred worth it? For a $95 annual fee, the robust earning potential and flexible redemption options make it a strong contender for many businesses. If your business spends heavily in categories like travel, shipping, or advertising, the 3 points per dollar can quickly accumulate. The travel protections and cell phone insurance also add considerable value. Check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. It's a solid choice for maximizing business rewards.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.